Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
Bye.
Good morning, everyone. In here, I will make how to text, title, how to make image with AI. You must have ChatGPT, and then you must have form because you want to do image, and then you must application remake with AI and ChatGPT. Okay, you must have because application for you making image. Okay, you open AI and then you upload your image, your photo, example my image, and then after that you write form because for making image example I have form, you can copy and then after that you upload and AI will give you image example. AI give you image and then why I don't write form, I have step by step example. You want to you can search image, do you want making example. I want to make image and in IG I as Ronaldo. I want to image in there, and then you write in form in ChatGPT making form, and then ChatGPT give you form text. Okay, and then ChatGPT give you form, and then after that you I don't know you translate to Indo because you want to edit, and then AI give you translate to Indonesia, and then you upload your image. After you upload, you write make for image, and then ChatGPT give you image. Is this? Is this? Is this? After that, you save in your handphone. After that, the face is not saved. No problem because you have remake face AI. You open remake face AI and you upload your image in here. In that you upload. After that, you upload your face. Example. Example my face, and then you swipe touch swipe face. After that you wait until end and then same with my face. Okay, after that you can upload in your IG. Thank you very much, and then example I repeat. Okay, okay, don't forget you must you must upload your image, and then you write example in Indonesia seorang pria, you can read. Okay, and AI give you image, and then you can edit because example I want to Naruto. Okay, you can write in from, and then I want to Sasuke example, you can write in, and then you want to Jiraiya and others anime, you can write because form you can edit. Okay, and then example I have form Nobita Chibi. Okay, I have from you can copy. You want to make and is this picture? Wow, you can
Wow.
copy IG and others. Okay. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.